There is a hadith, and the Prophet says, Aslam, in it, Allah loves three. He laughs or smiles at them, and He is happy with them. One is a fighter. When his battalion runs away from the battlefield, he attacks the enemy alone. Either he's martyred or Allah grants him victory. Allah Azza wa Jal says to the angels, look to my servant, how he is fighting for my cause. How is he patient and tolerant for my cause? The second category, a man having a beautiful woman in a comfortable bed, wakes up in the middle of the night. Allah says he abandons his desire and remembers me, and if he wishes, he would have continued sleeping. So Allah Azza wa Jal loves this person, and He laughs or smiles at him. And thirdly, a group in travel. So they ride, and late at night they go to sleep while he stands up in prayer, whether at ease or in hardship. These are the three types that Allah smiles to or laughs to, and Allah loves Azza wa Jal. May Allah make me and you one of them.